No. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Come. Here it's not coming in. So yes, your video got problem lah. Your video has a problem. I can see my image down here. So how? How? Hello? Zahira? Rehana, are you there?
Yes.
How you can, but you can see me not?
Can.
Okay, then we start, okay? Let us start with the very beginning. Raihana, come in, Raihana. Paging for Miss Raihana. Can you see the screen? Huh?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. Turn on your video. Why you turn off video? Come on, turn on your video. Okay, please try question.
I'm still in my school with Pulu.
Huh? Okay, come. Try question 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D. No using calculator, please. Turn on your videos. Otherwise, I'll kick you out. Once, okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Huh?
I haven't the notification yet.
I thought I just taught you the other day. Haven't I? Okay, come on, tissue then. So here also will be. Okay, come. You look at the board, huh? Zahira, you can see, right?
Yes.
Okay, the other day, I think I taught you, remember not? This signs down here. Remember these signs? Minus times minus equals to plus. Minus plus, minus plus minus, minus plus minus. This is the timetable. So now here we go. Let's say minus 2 times minus 3. Normally you put a bracket like that. Take number times number. 2 times 3, 6.
Yeah.
Minus, follow the sign here. Minus become plus. So you don't need to put anything there. But let's say minus 2 times 3. Take number times number. 2 times 3, 6. Minus and plus is minus. According to this, minus plus is minus. Okay, so you try to do the one down here. All right, no using calculator, please. No using calculator. I will just I give you 1 minute to solve this. I'll come back in a moment. Okay, Zahira, what's your answer? Have you done? Raihana, what's your answer? Why are your videos off? You see, you all start giving excuses again, these two girls. Shafika and Sophia, they are very good. Hello. By 7:40, if we don't, I will stop the class. I warn you already. Don't say I did not warn you. Okay, I'm warning you. Okay, here we go. Raihana, what's the answer for question A? 8. Aduh, where is the thing? Disappear. Okay, A is 8. Zahira, what's B? Zahira. Raihana, what's B, Raihana?
Negative 21.
You see, you're not learn, you learn already lah. What about C? Raihana, C.
16.
Negative or positive?
Positive.
Negative times positive what? Down here I can see negative times positive. Negative times positive, as we have seen over here, must always be negative. So negative 16. And the last one down here, we cannot see. Okay, what's the answer for D? Right now. Today I'll be teaching you.
Negative 30.
Okay, negative times negative give you?
Negative.
No, I do this, girl. Hello, you must copy this down. Negative times negative give you positive. Positive, positive is positive. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times positive is negative. So just remember, same sign, two of them time multiplying together become positive. Same sign become positive. Same sign become positive. Remember that now. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Are you there? How come I'm seeing one? Where is? Now we are both here alone. Alone here. What happened to Zahira, man?
So I
Okay.
hate school.
She doesn't like class. Everyone's leaving. Higher and so left. Now there's no more boys here. So what's your answer? Rahana?
I can't see it. My eyes got the my eyes hit the light.
Negative 6 times negative 5. Zahira, what's the answer? Negative 6 times negative 5. 30. Positive. Yes. Well done. Okay, now we do the same thing. Next one. Now divide is also the same rule. Okay, same rule. Okay. Zahira, what's your answer for 2A? Yeah, just hold on. Somebody. Okay, you try 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. Please try. Hero. Zahira, what's the answer for
This one what page?
Aduh. This one, if we look at it, you all got the book. I forgot. Era. What is this? Is aduh, sekejap. I will check. What page is this? Oh, this one, no, this one from another book. This is from this book. I'm sorry, you have this book or not?
Yeah.
It's your school book, I'm taking from your school book. Okay, which page? Your workbook. This is on page. I still don't know where. You on the page. This is on page.
Oh.
I still don't know where this page. On page 30, what? 32. Yes, 31. Page 31. Page 31. All right, so now we'll go back to this and try. 2A. Can see now? Okay, 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. We'll wait for you. We'll give you an
How you do B?
How do we do B? Okay, now.
You, teacher.
Who is that?
My sister.
Misha, what's her name? Anika.
Yeah.
How are you doing? Why is screaming and all? Don't be like that, Anika. Okay, now here we go. Zahira, you can see the board. Now this is, let's say you get minus 2 times minus 3. Or minus, let's see, minus 6 times minus 3. Or minus 6 divided by minus 3. Whether divide or times, minus and minus will become plus. 6 times 3, 18. Now here, number divided by number. 6 divided by 3, get 2. Minus and minus becomes plus. Do you get it? Yes? Rahana, you get it? Rahana? Are you getting better in maths? Rahana, are you getting better in maths? Like that. But you better than last year? Okay. So good. Zahira, you get it, Zahira?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now, okay. All right, now you try now question number 2. Question number 2. Complete 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D.
If the number 6 don't have minus, then
You don't have minus, that means it's positive. Let's say now you got $6, means you is positive $6. So then sometimes when it's positive, they don't put positive because it's understood. Like at the very beginning of a number down here, for example, can you see number 12? They don't put plus. It means this is plus. But negative, they must put a minus. Okay. So in the front down here, 6 down here, this is plus. But sometimes they don't put a plus. All the time they don't put a plus because it's understood. Okay. Okay. No answer.
okay.
Okay. Only Anika answering me, Anika. What you want to be when you grow up, Anika? Dancer?
She's not here now.
I know, I pretend to. Okay, sorry. Just joking. But is Raihana there? Okay, Raihana also wants to off her video.
Yes.
Are you there? What's the answer for 2A?
3.
What's the answer for 2B?
6. Positive.
What? Negative 6. What's the answer for 2C?
Negative 6.
What's the answer for 2D?
4. Positive.
What about Zahira? Answer for 2A?
I only do A and B. Haven't do C.
Okay. Okay. All right. Congratulations, Miss Raihana. Can you do question 3, Raihana? No using calculator, Raihana. I can see what you're doing.
Teacher, where's the screen?
The screen you cannot see. Alamak. A bit, huh? Can you see the screen?
Sure, wait, I got an icon now.
Yes.
Okay, please, turn the aircon on.
I use my phone. Sure. I need to go away.
Wow. You mean your phone can turn on the aircon?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I lazy get the remote.
That means I'm living in some caveman time, man. I didn't know. What?
Nothing.
Only a joke.
I get on my. I don't know how to do the number 3.
Okay. So we go through question 2 first, okay? Zahira, we have to go through without you. You tell us now, 2A, what's your answer? 2A. 3. Positive, huh? B?
6.
Negative or positive?
Positive.
How can it be positive? This one is positive, divide by negative. Let us look at the rule on here, Ms. Zahira. The rule says negative divided by positive give you negative. Positive negative 6. Remember, unless it's the same sign, then it is. Okay, then next one. C. What's your answer, Zahira?
C is negative 6.
Yes, negative 6. Because take number divided by number, 18 divided by 3 gets 6. Negative divided by positive, because 3 down there is positive. Negative and positive equals to negative. And the very last one, Ms. Zahira, what's your answer? 20 divided by 5. What's your answer?
4. Is it?
4. Yeah, negative divided by negative, positive. Positive 4. Okay, now we are going to go to the next one now, all right? We're going to go to the next one, okay? I'm going to write down the questions on the board. Do not use your calculator, please. I can hear some sounds.
Can I take out my chips? I'm hungry.
Okay, take out.
I hate my
Okay, now, you have a look at this one while you are eating your chips. Can you see now, this is negative 2 to the power of 2. This negative 2 bracket to the power of 2. What does to the power of 2 means? It means times itself. Let's say 4 to the power of 2 means 4 times 4. Okay? Now, what about this one over here? Now, when you have a bracket like this, it means the whole bracket will times itself. That means minus 2 times minus 2. Okay, this is what it means. Watch, huh? 2 times 2 is 4. Minus times minus becomes plus. Down here now, there's no bracket down here. No bracket here. So this square only belongs to the 2. It does not belong to the minus here. So it's as if you can write it like that. Can you see the difference? This is minus is on the outside. Bracket 2. So you do minus outside. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus is outside. So minus 4. This one is plus 4. Note the difference. This one
Where
is
must
minus.
put the bracket?
No, I just give you an example why. Because some students don't need to put the bracket. 2 times 2 is 4. So now become minus 4. Down here now, they already give the bracket minus 2 times minus 2 equals to 4. Different, huh? This one become positive. This one is negative. But to explain to you, if you do not understand, then my suggestion is to put a bracket down here. If you don't understand, then you can put bracket. Then you can see, oh yeah, answer is 4. Then now I remove the bracket, become minus 4. So you try.
The beside one is 4, is it?
That one is 4 because minus 2 times minus 2. The bracket is now including the minus. So when you have a square, it means whatever is inside the bracket must be times by itself again. Ouch, kena electricity. Okay, so now minus 2 times minus 2. Do you get it?
No.
Okay, we give you another one now. We try another one. Okay, we try another one. There's 3 questions here. All to the power of 2. What is the answer for the 3 of them? And go. 6. Hello. Is 3 times 3 not 3 times 2, Miss Rahana? Come back, come back.
Wait, is it 27?
Hello. It's 3 times 3, not 3 times 3 times 3. Kenapa 3 kali?
9.
Hey. 9, yes. So what is 9? Which one is 9? Which one negative 9?
Negative 9, the first one.
Second one?
Positive 9.
Positive. Third one?
Teacher, why the first one negative 9? I thought it's negative 6.
Hello, you also another one now. You follow the
3
second,
times
right, Hannah?
3.
3 times 3, not 3 times 2 lah. Hello. Square down here is times the number by
yeah.
itself.
Yes.
Please. You want me to cry again? Hello. This one was the last one. The third one.
Negative 9.
Do you agree with this, Miss Zahira?
So you cheers,
Wait. Okay, I cannot see.
Oh, can I see? I cheers
Your
with my
body.
wife. With my wife. My body. So are you saying I'm too fat or what?
No.
Eh, so bad, Zahira.
No, I never say.
But it's true. You can see my tummy going up.
The answer correct.
Answer is correct. Well, let us see whether you're correct. Huh? This is, yes, you're right. Because it's only the 3. 3 times 3, 9. Negative on the outside. Yes, correct. This one, 3 times 3, 9. No. This one now, the bracket also termasuk lah. Hello. Minus 3 times minus 3 is including of the minus. This is not including of the minus. So this one becomes positive 9.
Positive 9. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Let's see whether you get it.
The middle one correct or not?
Middle one is correct. Middle one is correct. Okay. So now we try now. You try A and B first. After that, we go to C and D. After that, this Hyan will be confused. No?
Where's Hyan?
Hyan was too scared of one of the girls. I said, no. I say, why are you scared? Say, no, she only showed me half her head. I say, you have not seen in this lesson. She didn't even show her head. Oh. What should I tell her, Diana? Yeah, tell him.
Don't
Nothing.
piss me off.
Don't what?
Don't piss me off.
Oh no. So I will tell him in Malay lah. Hyan, Hannah say don't kencing her.
What? Peace is kencing.
Peace means kencing, but when you say piss me off means don't make me angry. You piss me off. That means you. But it's not a nice way to say lah. But you know, right, Hannah? She thinks she's cool.
What?
Okay lah. Okay, come. What's the answer now?
The first one is negative 4.
Negative 4. What about the second one?
I don't know. I also don't know.
Wait, this one is number 3, right? I cannot see. Only show me A and B.
Yeah, like A and B only lah.
Oh.
Can you see A and B?
Teacher, why is it minus, then bracket -1, bracket?
Okay, so I'm going to tell you now. Okay, we do one by one. So this one, -2 to the power of 2. I cannot do this lah. I must do on the board. Yeah. Okay. Now you see here, -2, this one you know already, right? Only the 2 you times by 2, you get 4. 2 times 2, 4, and add a negative. Down here now, you must remember what is being squared. This is called a square. This bracket only is being squared. So we just leave the minus like that. This one is -1 times -1, something like that. -1 times -1 is +1, become +1. Now inside the bracket become like that already. From these two now, it becomes like that because 1 times 1 is 1, minus times minus is plus. Then a minus on the outside. So now we remove the bracket lah. -1. How? You get it? By your sound, that means you don't get it. I give you more questions now. Okay. Now you try like that. -2 to the power of 3. Don't tell me 6. This is -2 times -2 minus 2, something like that. Okay, the next one now.
Is it 8? Maybe not 8. Is 8?
8, positive, negative?
Negative.
Negative 8.
Answer is positive.
Okay, so all positive 8. Okay, so let us see now.
46.
Watch. This one now, I'm going to put 3 brackets, okay? Now just so that you understand. My -2 times -2 times -2. So let us see what happened. Negative times, okay, 2 times 2, 4. Good. Negative, positive. Good. Now becomes like that. Because now this 2 now becomes to 4, right? Now 4 times 2, 8. Negative times positive. Negative. Do you get it?
Room Karen. Nobody gets a damn.
Hey, Karen, why you say that? No one gets a damn about maths. Well, I hope you get this one again. Look at this. Negative times negative. This one become positive. Only this one, 4 is positive. Then 4 times -2. Positive 4 times -2 becomes negative. 4 times 2, 8. Positive times negative becomes negative. Now you try the next one. What's the next one? What do you think the answer is for the next one?
I don't know.
You've not even tried. Why don't you expand it out like this? Put like that lah, miss. Put like this.
-8.
You're -8 lah. You will do like that. And see now. Then you do the first one lah. What's the answer down here? See, I fill up for you. You try like that. You fill up lah. These two now. These two will go down here.
So 2 times 2 is it? Is it?
Yeah. You say bracket like that, it means times. So take 2 times 2, what's your answer?
4.
Minus the minus? Minus times minus plus. So plus, you don't put anything inside lah.
Oh,
Then
yeah.
next one, 4 times 2, what do you get?
8.
8. Plus times minus?
Plus.
Minus. Plus times minus. Yeah. Plus times minus is minus. Only when the sign is the same. Look, minus become plus. Plus becomes plus. When the sign is the same, it becomes plus. When the sign is different, minus and plus or plus and minus becomes minus. Okay, so down here now, minus and minus. So must become plus lah. Answer is +8. Okay. Hello. We move on to the next one.
Yes.
Rahana, what are you doing? You seem to be doing something else. What are you doing?
Eating chips.
Eating chips. Do your work now. Okay. We try do your work. Okay, please try now. Question. The next one. Question B now. What's your answer?
it -2?
What is 1 times 1 means? 1 times 1, how come you get 2? Not 1 plus 1. I'm going to strangle you.
1 times 1 is 1.
1 lah. Don't put 1 times 2 down there or 1 plus 1. Careful lah.
The before answer is -8, right?
Yeah, just which one?
The before one just now.
Before this one. No, this one. This one down here, first one is -8, second one is +8 because negative times negative is positive. Okay, now we do the next one down here. I'm going to do it down here.
I thought do the question P.
Yeah. I'm waiting for you to do the question. Yeah. Your answer is +1.
Yeah.
Right, Hannah? Right, Hannah?
+1.
+1. I'm going to write the question on the board. I think you have not mastered this. So let us see now. So we do it like that now. Since you have not mastered this, do it this way. This one now put a negative sign outside. This one break to 2 bracket. Why 2 bracket? Because there's a square here. -1, -1. Leave the minus outside. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative times negative equals positive. So now you have still 1 minus outside. Inside become positive already. Negative times positive equals to -1. I repeat, this one now we break up to -1, -1. We do this -1 times -1, +1. Then now +1 times negative. Okay? Now, I do not know whether you know of this sign. Have you seen this sign? Do you know what is the meaning? What's called? Square root, It's called square root.
Oh, wait, actually I know.
Square
Yes,
root.
correct.
They give you now the area 25. What number times itself? Same number times itself. The answer is
5.
5. Now I want you to look at this, because now we are in Sec1. Sec1, do you know that if I put a -5 times -5, what's the answer? Positive 25 also. So now, if you want to find the square root of 25, there's 2 possible answers. Answer can be -5, answer can be +5. Why? Because look at these 2 squares. Rahana, are you looking, Rahana?
Yeah.
Don't look at the chips now. Look at the here. You see, 5 times 5 is 25. But -5 times -5 is also 25. So the square root of what? Of 25 can be -5, can be +5. Okay, but in this case, maybe they're assuming you still don't know about this. I just taught you maybe too early now. But let us see, There are... Okay, you can try this one first. This one now will have 2 answers. You try -16. What is your answer? Remember, this means that like that, it means what? This part down here, only the 16 you find the square root first. What's the answer?
-4, is it?
The answer -4. Okay, what about you?
I still don't understand.
You don't understand. Never mind, no problem. Okay, now down here. Now, square root is like finding out what is the length of one side of a square, and the side of a square with an area of 16. So there's 2 possible answers. One is 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So the square root of 16 is 4. One possible answer. Or is -4 times -4. Negative times negative equals positive also. So now it's 2 answers. All right. One can be 4, one can be -4. But the question is asking you like this. They have a negative sign outside here. So we do the inside one first. We bracket this first. When we bracket this, we get, therefore, is 4 or -4. Final answer is -4 or 4. Same thing. Okay.
For all,
Why? Okay. Thereby, this one we'll go through again another time lah, because this one negative is too complex really. But you try this one for 8.
oh,
You try this one. Can you see? Zahira, can you see?
Yes.
what is
Why this so different?
Hmm?
I thought you said must have both two number to get 8.
Now this one is 3 number.
Is it -2? Oh, wow.
Yes, this is 2. Okay, this is 2.
No, when you make the transfer is from OCBC.
Yeah.
Do you make any
-2.
I can't hear you, Cho. Your mic is muted.
Okay, so Zahira say -2. Okay, so we do the one without the minus on the outside first. Okay, let's say we do 8 first lah. We just do 8. Okay, so now you can see my screen. This here is different from this one is different from this. Can you see the difference, Raihana? What's the difference between the top one and the bottom one? Spot the
The
difference.
top one is square root, cube root,
Cube root, good. This one is
square root.
square root.
This one is times 2 and I got 2 number and 3 number.
Yeah, so what does it mean? This means now the volume here, volume of the cube is 8 volume. Means length times breadth times height equals to the 8. So that means what time they want to find one side. So they ask you which number times itself times itself times itself get 8. So answer is the 2 lah. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 8. So the cube root of 8 is 2. That is correct. But this question is not asking you that. This question is saying there's a minus down here. And then there's an 8 down here. So you find out the answer down here minus. We bracket it up. We bracket it so we understand. So down here now we get the answer 2. Now 2 minus and plus equals to minus 2. Zahira, okay?
Nope.
Yes.
No. One say no, one say yes. Okay, never mind. A bit. Okay. So down here now we okay. Imagine you have not learned about -2 times -2. Imagine it's only positive, okay, and we put it down here like that. Okay, we imagine it's only positive lah. Okay, that means we don't talk about -2 times -2. Let's say now it's like that. There's 2 questions. So down here now we are finding out what number times itself. It give you 4. So must be 2 times 2 lah. So the answer down here is 2. Finish. Down here now there's a minus now. We put a bracket lah. Square root of 4 is 2 also. Now at the end of it, we need to remove the bracket. When we remove the bracket, negative times positive equals to negative 2. Notice the difference. This negative is not square rooted. This here. Rahana, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we try as we go along. Okay, sometimes it may take a little bit more time. It's okay. But the most important thing is you must do the practice. If you don't do the practice, that's it. You have to practice. Okay, we try E first. Rahana, you're eating something. It sounds so delicious, you know. What is it?
I'm having something.
What is it?
Oh. So paper is delicious.
Paper? You're eating paper.
I'm tearing paper and I'm drinking root beer and I'm eating chips.
Wow.
Teacher, -4 still remain -4, right?
Yes.
Is it +12?
Okay, one say positive 12. What?
What? Negative. I got positive 36.
Okay, let's see who's correct. First of all, to do this, I expand because this means, Zahira, -3 times -3 times -4. So I write it down here. Lah. -3 square is -3 times -3. And then there's a -4 here. So let us now go one by one. 3 times 3 is how much? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 4?
I mean +9. +13.
36. Okay, let's see. Then get 36. But now let's see. Negative times negative is positive, right? Negative. See, now here, negative times negative is positive. Then after that, times a negative. Positive times negative is negative. Be careful. So we're going to try now. The answer is -36. Rahana, -36. Now I'm going to show you now. You see whether you understand this or not. Okay. -1 square. What's the answer? -2 1 cube. What is the answer? -1 to the power of 4. What is the answer? Can you tell me what's the answer? Don't tell me 2. Cannot be 2.
The first one is -1.
This means -1 times -1. This means that, you know,
Oh, a positive 1.
positive 1. The next one now, -1 times -1 times -1.
Positive 1.
Positive 1. So that's it. Negative times negative.
Positive.
Positive times negative.
Negative.
-1. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Negative times negative become positive. Positive times negative is negative. Let's try this one. -1 times -1 times -1 times -1.
Positive 1.
Positive 1. Negative times negative.
Positive.
Positive times negative.
Negative.
Negative times negative.
Positive.
Positive.
Good, positive. 1 1. So do you get it or not? Are you getting it now? Okay, you don't be confused. But look, the minus is inside. They didn't put the minus outside. It's different. This minus is inside. So now you try this one again.
Sure. The video that we filmed, where's the video?
I have not come up because the one not so funny now.
Oh lol.
And that one is supposed to be a movie. Have you seen the other movies? I mean,
Nope.
you see, you might be shocked.
It's not on your YouTube.
It's on YouTube. It's not on my YouTube. It's on another channel YouTube, but it's okay.
I can't find the video. I cannot find the video the other day.
Which video?
The video that we filmed.
Yeah, I have not put it up yet. The one I have not put it up.
You just put it up. I want to see.
I have not edited. We have not edited.
Huh?
I'm not, because the movie is not yet done.
You need to film some more parts.
Yeah, there's only one part. Only.
Movie, what movie?
The one that we filmed.
When? Oh, that one.
Okay. What's the answer for E? Do you understand? E.
E.
Okay, you try E and F, please.
I thought you go through already.
Okay, again F then. F.
Is it +2?
No.
What?
No.
Why?
Which one must you do for brackets or divide?
Bracket.
Bracket. Do the bracket first.
Is it negative? Wait, no.
Okay, so you do the bracket first. What do you get?
Is it -10?
The one say -10. Let us see. I'm now going to show it to you now. I'm going to write it on the board first.
Teacher, positive and negative equals to positive, right?
Negative. Positive,
Oh,
negative,
negative.
negative.
Okay, negative.
So negative. Okay, so I'm going to write it. You see whether.
Wait, Zahira, what school you got inside?
What?
What school you go inside?
What school I go?
Yeah.
Only.
Oh.
No, don't care.
I don't like that school, but I have to go.
Why you don't like the school?
I lucky I'm not same school as Ryan.
The student also bad.
Yeah, because no, you find that some the boys become very rowdy.
My one is Bukit Batok eh.
It's Bukit Batok, okay? Now, I'm showing you two different versions. One is with the square on the outside. One is the square on the inside. So I'll do the square outside first so that you see. So we do the brackets first. So 40 divided by -2 times -2. So this one now includes the minus, you know. So negative times negative is positive, you get 4. Then 40 divided by 4 is 10. So this one, if the square is outside, will be positive 10. But the question gave you the square is on the inside. Means down here is like that. 40 divided by minus, and then you have another bracket right side. 2 times 2, like that. Okay. So 40 divided by minus 2 times 2 is 4. So now 40 divided, we take number divided by number. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Positive divided by negative is negative. So your answer is negative 10. How, Rahana?
Then that one another one is positive.
Because the square is on the outside. When the square is on the outside, this negative number is also times 2. -2 times -2. Down here, only the number 2 is given the square. Now, why do you need to know this? Now I'm going to show you now why. Because you'll be learning like this. You'll be learning like that now. X, y square. What does this mean? This is what? X times y times y. Different from x, y, and squared outside. This means xy times xy equals to x squared, y squared. Notice, the square belongs to this only. It's not both, unless they put the bracket. So when we put the bracket, the negative side is also squared. Okay, never mind. We try. We move on. We move on. Where are we now?
My answer correct.
Yeah, your answer is correct. But we have to go beyond. Okay, you try G now. Okay, just give me 1 more second.
Can I see the screen? Rahana,
What?
you can see the screen or not?
No.
Then what to do? He asked to do.
Just wait for teacher come back.
Let's talk about our school. You go to school?
Bukit Batok. I don't like the school.
Your brother go different school as you.
Yeah, lucky.
I also go different school with my sister. I don't want, but I have to.
You don't want what you. Oh.
Because I was selected to go Tanglin when I don't want. When it's my second choice.
You can change. Chill, we can't even see the screen.
I cannot because the mark is like 6 marks different. So yeah. She cannot hear.
Miss,
Teacher, we haven't seen the screen.
Yeah.
Astaghfirullahaladzim. Sorry.
Question what?
Why is Inshira shouting? Can see G, yeah?
Where's my pen? Oh, it's on the floor. Wait, why haven't actually never come?
Mother said you got something came up. Higher is quite good, eh?
Yeah.
No. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, wait, it's question G, right? I did question
G,
E.
G.
I did question
E, we have done this now. You've done, that means you're doing it twice. Okay, imagine that
Wait.
positive lah. We don't look at negative roots.
Is it not negative 48?
Negative 48. Yes, you seems to be correct. Congratulations, miss. Seems you're getting better and better. Huh? How do you feel now? Do you like maths more or not?
Okay.
Can I calculate right?
You don't use calculator. You tell me -2 times -2 times -2. What's the answer?
Six.
Hey, you take 2 plus 2 plus 2. Miss, don't take 2 plus 2 plus 2.
I never. I take 2 times 3.
2 times 3 is even worse lah.
2 times 2 times 2.
2, yes. 2 times 2 times 2. Don't 2 times 3.
Is it 8?
Yeah, it's 8, but is it positive or negative?
Positive.
How can it be positive?
It should
Now,
be
when
positive.
they give -2 to the power 3, this is -2 times -2 times -2. Okay, Zahira, 2 times 2,
4.
negative times negative.
Positive.
Positive. Now it becomes positive 4 times -2, the last one. 4 times 2.
8. Negative 8.
Negative 8. Okay. So now we go back to this.
Yeah, because I forgot that.
And then the square root of 36 is what times what equals 36? Can you use calculator lah?
Wait.
What times what equals to 36? Right, Hannah? What times what?
6.
6 times 6. So 6 times -8. So 6 times -8.
No. Oh,
6 times.
6.
Yeah. So 6 times 8 is 48. Positive times
Times
negative?
48. Negative 48.
Yes, -48. Well done. You are getting it. Now the next one. Now this one, be careful. This one now. When you see this one is cube root, means what times what times what equals 64. Same number. You try.
No, nothing.
You can use your calculator lah. What times what equals to -64.
Mhm.
8 times 8 equals negative 8.
But this one is cube root, not square root.
Oh yeah, sorry. -4.
Yes, correct. -4 is correct. But your final answer?
What are you doing? For the minus one, is and the answer is one, right?
Answer is 1, okay. And then 1 divided by -4, is it? So what's your answer?
1 divided by -4. Can you use your calculator or not?
Yeah,
Yes.
no, you don't need to use calculator.
I heard my
Rahana,
name.
what's your answer? What's your answer?
I don't know.
How one can divide by -4?
You just write it as a fraction, huh? Now you
Oh,
forgot
1/4.
already how to do it. 1/4. So this is 1/4 is 1 over -4. So we go
-1/4.
-1/4. Okay, now we go through everything step by step. They give you a cube root now. Cube root of 64. And then they put a divide down here. And then they put a -1 to the power of 3 and then a minus down here. Very cruel of them. Okay, so we do one of them first. Okay, let's say we do this one first. This is negative, -1, -1, -1. You can check now. Minus times plus, minus times minus, minus. Minus times minus plus, plus times minus, minus. Minus times minus plus. So the answer will be plus. 1 times 1 times 1, 1 is 1. Divided by. This one, as you said, what number times itself? -4 times -4 times -4. 4 times 4 times 4, 64. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative, negative. So correct. This one now are the cube root. -4 is a cube root. So divided by -4. We learned what last time? 1 over the thing is 1 over -4. So this 1 over -4 is the same as -1/4. No problem. Okay? Can see, no? Rahana, can do, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I hope you're getting better and better in maths. You got to push yourself, okay? Push yourself. No one's going to push you. You're already adults, no? Both of you are adults, you know.
No,
Okay,
I'm
don't
not.
use a calculator for this one. You're not adult.
Not.
Hello, in the olden days, you know what in the olden days? There are
What?
people getting married at your age. Yes, last time,
Because
or
I
even
get
younger.
married. I can get married now.
Yes, you want to get married now? You in Singapore, you just need your parents' permission.
Wow.
Below
Malaysia?
16, Malaysia, same thing. You need your parents' permission. Because you're below 16 or 18, they have a rule. Okay, come, you try this one.
Sure. My mom talked about the Lina's Cafe guy.
What happened? So, did she go there? What?
No, she never.
Don't go there, okay? Because we do not know. This fella is a little bit crazy, you know.
You say that he got captured or something like that.
He got what?
He got captured or something like that.
Not yet. You see, Singapore rule, you cannot catch a person based on this, you know. Because
Because you're not like Donald Trump.
no, because this one, they don't believe in spirit, what? If they use jinn, say, what is jinn? They do not know what is jinn. And how do you prove he's using a jinn? All we know that people are leaving their husbands to go with this guy. And they pay him money, you know. Every month they give him allowance. And every day one person will go back with him. Says, today is my turn, tomorrow is your turn, tomorrow is my turn. Why would any woman want to do that? Leave their husbands and go with this guy. Unless he's using black magic. Huh? But you cannot prove black magic, you see. Can you see the problem now?
I'm in
How
love
to
with a
prove?
K-pop idol, so don't need.
K-pop idol?
Yeah.
Different. If let's say the ladies leave the husband because of K-pop idol, we all can understand, you see. But this one, we leave the guy and follow him. Okay, what's your answer, Zahira? You are ready. And your answer
36.
is 36. Do you agree, Miss Rahana?
Yes.
But how can you be doing if you're talking to me? Oh,
I was
forgot.
doing it or talking to you.
Oh, that means,
Logic.
yeah. So which one do we go first? Do first.
The
Down
times.
here. Times, good. 4 times 7, 28. Then 5 plus 28, you get 33 plus 3, 36. Well done. In the next one then.
Okay, wait. So is it weird to have like a boy inside our class?
No lah.
Yeah,
I'm a boy.
it's so weird.
Why?
We can't
You
talk
are all
about girl
girls.
stuff.
Hey, but I'm a guy. How come you don't talk about girl stuff with me? I'm a guy.
No.
Unless you're saying I'm a half girl.
Wow.
Half girl.
No, like
Oh,
that's
I thought you said
our
uncle.
friend, not teacher, friend.
Oh, friend. Okay. Never mind lah. Never mind.
And then I
Some
don't
of
say
the
close to my cousin.
some
Oh,
like
shoot.
your sister has your sister
Boy.
has a boy in the class, own cousin. Your cousin come your friend. Shafi is your cousin, kan?
No, Shafi's not my cousin.
Abang Ryan, he got a girlfriend.
He got a girlfriend. Too young lah.
No lah, my cousin.
Shafi is not your cousin. What is this?
What is this?
Okay, what's your answer?
No lah, just kidding lah.
I got 2.
2.
-2.
He's the worst cousin in the world.
Why you say that?
Because he's so annoying.
Really? He looks like a very well-behaved boy.
No, you. No lah, he very bad. He like to disturb me. My answer is 4.
Answer 1 say 4, 1 say okay. So let us now try this. Let us see who got it correct. Okay, and the one who got it correct, yeah, that means you might be careful. So 3 minus 5 minus 4 minus 2. Now, Raihana, which one do we do first? We do the brackets, correct?
Yeah.
So now you have down here, you utang $6. Utang $6. You have $5. 5 minus 6 is 1, -1. Why? You utang more than you have. Okay, take bigger number minus smaller number. 6 minus 5 get 1. Add the negative sign here. Now look, negative equals to positive. You remove the bracket. Answer 4. Rahana, can you get it?
Yeah.
Maybe you need to write it down. Sometimes we do it mentally. At this beginning stage, it might be dangerous because you're still getting used to it. You notice now, primary 1, primary 2, the students will be calculating that. Very slow, right? Because they're starting to understand it. When you understand something new, when you try to understand something new, you'll be slow. Once you get it very fast, it'll be very fast. Once you understand it after some time, it'll be very fast. So at this stage, this is something new for you. Don't rush. Write it down if you have to. Analyze it, you have to. After a while, you get faster and faster. Okay? You get it or not?
Yes.
I don't know what you get it. You don't get it, you don't get it.
Yes, I get it.
Okay, I'll give you an example. Giving birth. Let's say a lady,
No.
a lady give birth to 20 children, but
I don't want that example.
okay lah. What example do you want?
Giving birth.
Okay, killing someone.
Yes.
Also.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, they say the first kill is very, very difficult because you'll be overcome with emotion. You feel full of regret.
Overcome or overwhelmed?
Overwhelmed and overcome with.
What does overwhelm mean?
Overwhelm means overcome lah. That means you are taken over by. For example, you said that I went for the K-pop concert. I was overwhelmed with an admiration for the singers.
I thought overwhelm is like a negative word.
No, it's like you are drowning in lah. Depending if let's say I was overwhelmed with awe when I went to Mecca, for example, it's positive, right? Depending, you are full of that feeling. It can be a good feeling, it can be a bad feeling. Like this guru, right? Your mom talked about the ladies who left the husband. They were overwhelmed, overcome by different feelings. Zahira, what's your answer, Zahira? Hira.
Wait, what?
Wait.
Wait, very scary.
Why is it very scary? Don't be
No
scared.
wonder. Oh my god. I
Why?
scared myself. I didn't know I turned on my phone through my fingerprint and then there's like whistling sounds.
Don't worry lah.
I think it was
There's
my
nothing.
phone.
You must make sure you pray lah. You must pray, every day.
No, because a few days ago my
Because
teacher passed away. Then my rabbit also got passed away.
Your teacher, which teacher is this?
My,
School.
Primary school. Like,
You know, how old is he of her?
She died at age 40 or 50.
Poor thing, huh?
Cancer.
Cancer, poor thing. Sometimes, so we all must be
So
ready to,
basically on
to meet
Wednesday,
our maker.
on Wednesday, our school, my school, they allowed to go to school like school start at 8:20 and then suddenly I was going through my phone in the morning because I don't want to go to school that early. Then suddenly I saw the message in the Malay group chat, right?
It's answer 100.
Okay, we'll come to that in a moment. Just in a moment, once we are 100. Okay, sorry. Okay, Rahana, maybe we move on this one first. What's your answer?
100.
You're using a calculator, I can see.
I'm not. My camera I went on. Gee, you can go through my that one.
You pernah
Okay.
sakit kaki je?
Because her video is off, I can hear tick tack. Okay, never mind.
She eating chips lah.
Eating chips, is it? Okay,
Yeah.
the chips are tic tac lah. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to show you step by step. So now I give sometimes disgusting analogy so that you will remember, but I won't give it down lah. And higher is here I give. Now down here 60 divided by.
Which bracket must do first?
Okay, now I give you the disgusting one. Okay, I'm telling you this disgusting thing so that you will remember for algebra. Okay, imagine Hyan is here. Okay, let's say now Hyan wants to go to the toilet. He must take out his outside clothes before he take out his inside clothes. You understand or not? He cannot take out the underwear first before the shirt and pants. He must take out the outside first, then inside. But algebra is opposite. Algebra, they take out the underwear first, they take out the outside part. You understand or not? Algebra, you must do the inside bracket first. Because algebra is not a human being. Human being, like you want to enter the house, you open up the gate first and then the door. The outside first, then the inside. Algebra, they open the inside first, then the outside. So down here, they must do which one first, Zahira? Inside or outside?
2 times 5.
Do the inside one first. So you get.
I also open the door inside first.
You in real life.
Yeah.
My mom also does the same thing. My wife also. But by right, we're supposed to open the outside first. Because, but never mind. Then 6, so how to do like this? So never mind. This 6 divided by 10, we can express it like that. Can you see? 60, we can put
0.6. 0.6.
We can put like that, see? Divided. Then what you do? Can
I
divide by 0.6.
I know.
How? 6?
No, you can keep change flip.
Yeah.
Times 10 over 6.
Yes, well done. Divide
And
by
then 6 1 10.
Yes, 10. 100. Yes,
100.
well done.
Huh?
Hey, congratulations. 100 lah. 100. 100 is 1,000 lah. 100. Okay. So I give you the analogy. You remember. Okay. Just like you say, keep, change, flip. That is one analogy. There are many analogies I will use for maths. One is the utang and have money. Minus is utang money. Or minus can be opposite. You know what I mean? So these are strategies to remember. And they say the more crazy it is, the more crazy, crazy idea it is, the easier to remember. I leave it to you, what you want to remember. Try the next one, D, please. How come both of you, your videos are off? You're so bad.
No, I cannot on my camera. Okay, problem.
No problem. Then Rahana, she already said there's something wrong with her phone.
No lah.
No.
She eating, that's why she don't want to see. She don't be able to see she eating.
Yeah, I'm eating and drinking beer. Abang Maya helped me buy food before my tuition.
Wow.
Who your brother?
My brother.
So
But he
funny.
still smokes, so naughty.
Legit. So funny.
Abang Maya so annoying.
How do you know all this, Hannah?
What? No what?
She's your sister. Okay,
Yeah,
she not
lah.
know.
You know who I stalked
Oh my
her?
god.
I can smell the smoke from inside the toilet already. That one.
Ah, yang mana never school lah?
Hmm?
Oh, yang mana never school?
She's trying to find out if you actually smoke or not. You're not saying no, it's not. Teacher, if you tell Ryan, I wanna kill you.
I will not tell the secrets you tell me. Okay, don't worry.
Good.
Because it will cause a lot of rivalry at home. Don't worry.
We already
It's
have
not the first time I'm
rivalry.
hearing. Rivalry means, yeah lah.
I
But
got
it will
brother,
cause
I'm so sad.
misunderstanding.
I'm
He punched
crying.
me 2 times the other day until I got bruised.
Oh my god,
Don't
really?
punch him lah. Sayang your brother lah.
No, it's he punched Rihanna.
Huh? Are you sure?
Yeah.
He punch you, then you must make sure you tell your
I
parents
tried to-
because you are.
My mom saw the bruise yesterday, then he wrote my dad most for abang. Because say boy
Cannot, because you are now a big girl. You cannot be. You got to be careful of certain areas, no?
Oh, means I can beat my little sister. She not big girl yet.
Wait, sure, how to do this? I don't understand. Or push it down.
You should tell this one. Do which one first? There's 2 brackets.
Do the inside, do the bracket first. There's
Yeah,
no two
inside.
bracket.
So now do the inside bracket. Inside the bracket. Now you.
Session.
Anyone Chinese is good,
No, I never got assigned Chinese homework in like two. I mean not 2.
I will go Chinese class
12 years.
before. I will go Chinese class before.
See.
See, my sister so noisy, right?
Yeah, she sounds so excited. But during the tuition, she's like always so sad. Her smile, her smile is like this. I say, why her smile is upside down? You tell your sister, smile must be the right side up. Sound looks like a person who's very sad. I feel sad for her.
How can 8 divide by 6?
Miss, are you sure it's 6? You must remember, for the umpteenth time, I'm telling you 2.
It's 4.
Not 4.
It's 8. It's 8.
Okay.
Change before Mr. Shahid kill me. Not I kill
No,
him.
I won't kill you lah.
Not I kill him.
I just will die of suffocation. Then next time you hear another.
Sister is so lonely.
I got the 0.
My tuition
negative
teacher.
0.
No, hey, hello. What is 5 divided by 5? 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 divided by 5 is?
5. 1.
No. 1.
I got
Yes.
negative 1. I mean I got 1. Positive.
Okay, let's see lah. Let's see. We are waiting for Zahira. Zahira,
I get one. I don't know why I get one.
okay.
CCA you joining.
Oh,
Zahira,
Yeah.
I already get. I just started yesterday, last week. Today also I got.
Or do you have a plan?
What plan?
Like what CCA you want to join?
I already got my CCA.
What CCA is it?
NPCC.
And wow.
Okay. She's a cadet corps. Okay. Here we go.
What is it? Joe, what is
So
it?
tiring, I finished 6 o'clock, today.
Wow.
I suggest, why don't you take another CCA?
Oh, no,
Okay, but
why?
anyway. You
Other
like
CCA got
it's
3
matching,
days.
matching.
Yeah, my leg.
This one matching.
My worst is either
My leg hurt so badly.
NCCC, softball, or
My NCC is only for boys.
Go for softball.
NCCC. Yeah, from
No, any sports or other CCA, I got 3 day practice. I don't like.
wow.
Okay. Inside bracket first. So I leave the outside bracket. 2 times 2 times 2, 8.
8.
Then put the minus
Minus.
outside. Yes. Okay, then divide out here. So now times 2 times minus 4. So now left to right, okay? Left to right. 4 times 2, 8. Minus and plus, minus.
Minus.
Now divide by negative 8. 8 divided by
Negative,
8, 1.
positive 1.
Plus. Yes. Okay, so be careful, okay? I think you are getting the hang of it, but you must be careful. Okay, that's good that you can master this in a short while, man. You should be very happy yourself. I'm sure your friends are confused. Have you all started this? Have you done this in school already?
No.
You see, you okay, make sure to master this, you teach your friends, okay?
I don't.
When you teach your friend, you become very clear. Even
Cannot
more
lah.
clear.
What if you
Why?
teach your friend and you get the answer wrong? Then later your
Yeah lah,
friend
man.
blame yourself.
When I mean teach means you must be confirmed correct lah. If you don't know, you must learn from others. But if you know, you teach them, then you will be very good in your studies. But I leave it to you. Okay, we try question E.
Do which one the inside bracket? Which one come first is it?
Okay. Inside is the same thing now. You can take out or take out this bracket first. Or yeah, you can take out this bracket. Can you see the -6 bracket?
Yes.
Plus and minus becomes what?
Minus.
So you get -6 here. Okay, -6, right? And then after
So
that, you
just
do lah
bracket
-3 and
three.
yeah. Now do the square bracket lah.
Is it positive 4?
+4, let us see, yeah. We're waiting for Raihana. Let's see, Raihana, what's the answer?
I still do not understand. Sure.
All right. We do together now.
Okay.
All right, question here.
I want to sleep.
Don't sleep.
I came back home at 5.
Which CCA do you join?
Not CCA, MLA. We walked around the whole school, like, without shoes.
Why did you get?
Because it's no shoe day.
No studio. Okay. All right. Now you got what? There's one bracket. Is actually this is the real bracket. This bracket is more for the sign. This one is for the sign. Okay, but never mind. We do this big squarish bracket first. We just leave the -3 like that, or we can remove the bracket. -3. Positive and negative. Give you negative. Can you see? It's like that. So we still do this square bracket first. You utang $3, you utang $6. Don't get confused here, Rahana. Minus doesn't mean plus, down here. This one is only when there's two signs like that, like minus and plus. There's two signs. This one you owe $3, you owe $6, you owe $9. Now from left to right, 18 divided by 9, you get 2. Plus divided by minus, you get minus. Times -2. 2 times 2, 4. Minus times minus plus. So answer is positive. Positive 4.
Mm-hmm.
Well done. Let us see what's the next one. This could be, yeah. Oh no, got some more.
So what if I sleep?
Then what can you do? Because you are already an adult. I'm not gonna scold you. Let's say now you spend the rest of your time, you run away. Because I do not know what's happening in the darkness. I cannot see anything. So I have to trust you guys. So if you sleep also, I pretend that
So why cannot
you
go
are
like
awake.
physical?
Physical, because there's where do we study? In
Your
Bukit
house,
Batok.
oh?
Ah, my house is in Toa Payoh, you know.
Then go to the place last time, ah.
We got to pay rent, becomes so expensive.
Oh lol.
Then down here is much cheaper for you guys, you see.
What? What is it?
Yeah. The
What is it?
tuition at the center where we have to pay rent. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, here do need to pay.
Yeah, here we don't, there's no rent.
Yeah, I'm still looking.
Oh, sorry, sir. I've
This
written
your own
question.
house.
My own house. Can you imagine my own house? The room has whiteboards.
Why you buy so many whiteboard?
Because last time from my old house, I have quite a big house last time. One of the rooms I had all whiteboards and when I was teaching. And so I bring it to this house.
Why you move house?
Huh?
Why you move?
Because I went through a divorce.
Oh.
And then I lost my house and now I have no house.
Wait, how come you don't go Cambodia? Like
Cambodia.
Never know Cambodia.
Because no more. Finish with that period. Because we got Singaporeans cannot go out right now.
Wait, so you got fired?
Not fired. The end. You can say lah fired. I'm so sad they fired me. Actually no. The end of the consultancy was in December. Because everything changed. Fired. Okay.
Charger for my phone. You never off the speaker. It's so bad lah. I do talking what? You never say you're talking.
The speaker is still not off, by the way.
Inshira, you have a nice accent. You sound like orang putih.
I say you sound like one putih. No lah, why God? You sound like Bangladesh.
Aduh. Okay, come. What's the answer? Not sound like Bangladesh. Bangladeshi lah. Bangladesh is the sound. Okay, girls, are you ready not?
No.
Yes.
Yes, you are ready. What's the answer, Zahira?
Sorry, very slow.
So for which one?
Zahira.
D.
F. D already did earlier. Aduh, what should we do? Come back. Don't go there. What's your answer for F?
Kak, diam lah.
We have to mute her. You know, otherwise it's not good for us to hear all the secrets. Okay. Anyone has the answer? Yeah.
I got 2.
What's your answer? Answer is 2. Okay.
What's negative 2 plus 2 plus positive 2? 0.
0.
Yeah,
0.
I got 0.
Okay, we will go through. All right, Zahira, we are going to go through now.
I want to sleep
Now-
already.
Okay.
Yeah. Which one do we do first? Now, which one do we do? This bracket,
Bracket.
This one's a bracket also. By the way, we do this one first. So we copy. Once you have to do that, the system is to copy this whole thing down like that, like this. Everything you just copy down here. Okay, now I do one shot. -8 minus down here. -3 times -3. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus the minus become plus. So becomes like that. Can you see? So now if I remove the bracket, minus and plus, I remove the bracket, become minus. -8 minus 9 equals to -17. So down here now become minus 17. Now I'll write down everything all over again. Let me see. We have something like that. Now remember down here, it's only these two that is being cubed. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. And there's a minus on here. See here, it's a minus on here. So now divide by 4 plus minus 17 times 2. So now we can do this first, minus minus plus. So 8 divided by 4, what do you get? 2. 8 divided by 4, you get 2. The minus disappeared. Plus, next one up here, 17 times 2. All right, this is 17 times 2, right? 17 times 2 is 34. So minus 34, because minus times plus minus. So now become 2 minus 34. Why minus 34? Plus and minus become minus. Answer is negative 32. How, girls, are you confused or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
How you understand or don't? Do you get it or not?
Yeah.
You all sound very sleepy lah. I think it's good lah. Tired lah. Then how we so maybe it's best to do it on like a Sunday. But if I combine you,
She haven't sleep.
Shut up, lah.
wow, such a very kind sister.
No, she's just acting kind, okay? So,
Acting kind. She's a good
she had
actress.
to beat me.
Aduh. Okay, now we try this one now. This may be your last question. This is considered one big bracket, okay? Remember, this one down here is considered like one big bracket here. Like that, nice. Like one big bracket, this thing.
4 more minutes finishing. Positive 8.
Okay. What about Hannah? Zahira, what's your ambition here?
What?
What's your ambition?
What's that?
What ambition? Your mimpi, your dream.
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay. Rahana, what's your answer, Rahana? Hannah? Zahira, can I call you Hira?
Do
Is it
G,
okay?
right?
Yeah.
Do
G,
E.
yeah.
What?
G.
What?
Can I call you Hira?
Hira?
Anyone call you Hira?
No, nobody call me that.
Bangla.
You only call me Za. I don't know why.
Za. What do you like to be called? Hira.
Anything lah. So,
One.
Okay.
Wait.
This girl.
Positive 1 minus. What's that? Minus 8. Positive 1 minus 8 minus negative. Wait, what? Minus positive negative 8 equals to negative 2 times. Huh?
Juma minute faster.
I use calculator, can?
You have been using calculator for all the time. I can hear the sound.
Sure, I wasn't. I show you.
Okay,
proof.
okay.
It's like the only time when I open my camera.
I want to show. You show.
Okay,
Since you on the camera already.
Never mind. Oh, okay, come. Okay, look at this.
I see
Come.
my uniform. You see?
Okay.
What changed?
Okay.
Sleep.
All right, come. So down here now, this is considered like a bracket also. So we do the bracket. This is considered a bracket. So let us do the bracket first. So Rahana, minus equals to. Stop playing your hair. Focus. Minus equals to plus. So minus 9 plus 8. Down here become minus 9 plus 8. So you utang $9. You have $8. After you pay the $8, you still utang -1, not -2. That's why we should say -2. That's now. I wonder how she get -2. Okay, so we copy the same.
My answer is 4.
4, huh? Okay, let's see. So now we can also do all of them. Really, I can do lah. This one on here is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. Like this, 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1. Add a negative 1, negative 1. Down here now, do the bracket first. The bracket says -3 times -3 equals to +9. Down here times square root of -1, cube root of -1. See, -1 times -1 times -1. -1 times -1 get 1 positive 1. Positive 1 times -1 give you -1. Okay, so down here now, if you don't believe, you get -1. You can try out your calculator and get. So now we remove the bracket. -1. Down here now we must do because it's times. 9 times 1, 9. Plus, minus times minus, plus. All right. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Which part you don't get, Zahira?
Oh, wrong.
Which part you don't get? You see, you get everything. First, we start with minus becomes plus. Then you utang $9, you have $8. You cannot even pay the $9. You still utang $1. Cube root of -1, you try in your calculator, you get -1. Then down here now, -3 to the power 2 means -3 times -3. -3 times -3 equals to +9 minus outside. Now this is 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 minus outside. This is the same like this. 1 times 1 times 1, then add the negative. So you get -1 minus -9 times -1. So you must do the times first. 9 times 1 is 9. Negative times negative is positive. Then this one, -1 plus +9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, I don't think you are here. I think you have gone off already. Okay, girls, inshallah, we meet up again next Friday. If you have any questions, please message me, okay? Next week, when Hayan comes, please turn on your video. All right? Assalamualaikum. So bad, you all.